Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss matrices and transformations, and in this case, I'll be handling successive transformations. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. You can reach out through this number for consultations. You can also request revision materials through the same line. When we talk about successive transformations, it's very good to know that when a transformation is carried out after another, or simply successive transformation is when a transformation is carried out after another. They can even be more, not necessarily two, but you carry out a transformation, then after that one you transform that image into a second image. We call them successive transformations. Suppose an object undergoes transformation matrix P, followed by transformation matrix Q, then it's said, or the object is said to have undergone transformation Remember, we are starting with P, then Q, so we should have P here, then Q. Therefore, when they have been written in this order, it means P was performed first, then Q. So the one written at the right hand side is the one performed first, followed by the one on the left hand side. So for example, what is the image? What is the image of triangle ABC under the successive transformations M and P? This means, just want to help you interpret this type of questions. This means P is performed first, followed by N, and then M. We finish by M. Therefore, we start by transforming the triangle through transformation matrix P, then N follows, and finally M. So that is what it means to undergo successive transformations. Let me bring an example. Two transformations are defined by two transformations. This is an example now whereby we're going to work out two transformations two transformations are represented by matrix P, which is equivalent to 0, -1, then 1, 0, and Q, which is equivalent to 0, 1, 1, 0. Find the image of triangle ABC. Find the image of triangle ABC where coordinates of A are -3, 2. The coordinates of B are -3, 1, -3, -1, and those of C are equal to -1, -1. And the combined transformations P, Q. Solution. This is a successive transformation, and we should know that when it has been written like this, it means the object first of all was transformed through Q, then P followed. Therefore, we're going to start with matrix Q, which is 0, 1, 1, 0. Then we're going to have, if it's A, B, C, now we bring -3, 2, -3, -1, then -1, -1, so that we may get the image whereby we're going to have a 0 by 3 and 1 by 0 by 3. Remember, it's row times the first column. Therefore, 0 by -3 and 1 by 2, making it 2. 0 by -3 in the next now. 0 by -3 and 1 by -1. It becomes -1. 0 by -1 and 1 by -1. It remains -1. Remember, this is now going to be A prime, B prime, C prime. The next elements are going to be, we start with 1 by -3 and 0 by 2. So that becomes -3, just the way it is. The next is going to be 1 by -3 and 0 by -1. So we get -3. The next one is going to be 1 by -1 and 0 by -1. So we get a -1. So that is going to be the first image. Then now this one is transformed now through matrix P. Therefore, we're going to have matrix P, which is a 0, -1, 1, 0. Now this one becomes the object to be transformed. So 2, -3, -1, -3, -1, -1. Then now this is going to be, when we take 0 by 2 and -1 by -3, we'll get 0 plus 3. It becomes 3. This is going to be 0 by -1 and -1 by +3, by -3, so we get +3. Then we will have again 0 by -1 and 1 by -1, which becomes +1. Then now on the other side, we're going to have 1 by 2 and 0 by -3. So we just get 2 because -3 by 0 becomes a 0. The same row and the next column, we're going to have 1 by -1 and 0 by -3. we get -1. And finally, we're going to have this row and the last column here. So 1 by -1 and 0 by -1, we get -1. Therefore, it means A, the second image, is going to be 3, 2. B, the second image, is going to be 3, -1. And C, second image, is going to be 1, -1. Therefore, that is how successive transformations are interpreted and carried out.